What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Crypto Haven, where I give you the latest tweets, updates on BitTorrent. Now, this channel, I just started it as a hobby channel because I recently got into BitTorrent because I lost out on the Doge train, man. And I told myself I can't lose out ever again. I lost out on Bitcoin years ago. My friend told me about buying into Bitcoin. I didn't listen. So, I'm just here to document my journey on everything BitTorrent and other cryptos I may invest in along the way. BTT gang, stand up. We got the coin market cap pulled up. We got Bitcoin 58k up 2%. Doge, Ethereum kind of in the red a little bit, but just a tiny bit, you know what I'm saying? Ethereum been going crazy, bro. I remember when I just got into crypto, it's been like almost a month now. I just got into crypto. It was at like 2,300. Now it's up 3,005, bro. Dogecoin 60 cents, bro. 60 cents for Doge now, bro. Elon going crazy. Doge father going crazy. XRP kind of down in the red right now, 5%. You know what I'm saying? It was at 170 the other day. Cardano, Polkadot in the red, you know what I'm saying? But as we go down to our coin right here, this is our coin, guys. BTT gang. We up 5.1%. Prove me wrong real quick. 0.0083 for BitTorrent, guys. It's insane because I remember like yesterday it was at 0.007. It's crazy, guys. It's gonna go straight to the moon. It's gonna go straight to the moon. I can feel it. We got a tweet from Tater Tot. Yeah, BitTorrent has so much potential. Don't sleep on it. Look at this, guys. Up 19%. 20% BTT pumping 24 hours, man. Oscar tweeted out, great. BTT has started to increase 25% this week. Hopefully it will continue to 0.5, $1, and so on. $1 BitTorrent, man. I know some of y'all are hodling like a lot. 2 million, 10 million. You know what I'm saying? A million. Some people got like 20k, 50k, 100k. But end of the day, guys, we gotta invest in BitTorrent. It's a win to invest in BitTorrent, guys. BTT ranked top 3 trending tokens in Asia on CoinMarketCap. The Asian market loves BTT. I love it too. You know what I mean? I love it too, guys. Look at this. The Asian market got BTT number 3. So you know the Asian market gonna be trading it, and the pumps will keep coming once the Asian market has a hold of it. You know what I'm saying? I remember seeing another YouTuber talk about how the Korean market really loves BTT, guys. It's awesome. Herb tweeted out, Herb Stephenson, BTT, BitTorrent, Crypto Boom. Don't catch FOMO. Get in, suckers. We're going flying. We got all the way from 0.0005. I wish I got in that early. 0.006, 0.01 a penny, all the way up to that 10-cent mark, bruh. Honestly, I gotta get more. I gotta get more BTT, guys. We got a 360 trader BTT. Y'all already knew about this. So I see he got a chart here. We're going up to that 0.009 mark. That's what we aiming for. That's what we aiming for right now, guys. Dustin Coulter, I joined the BTT train, missed out on Doge heavily, same here, but still walked away with 5k gain from the first jump. Okay, still got a gains from Doge. Not gonna let that happen again. Exactly. Good luck to all. We need it. BTT, BitTorrent. He caught it when it was 0.007. It ain't much, but it's honest work. We pumping right now in the thread, guys. We're pumping. Buy the dips and hodl. When you sell the dip and it goes up immediately. Never sell. We hodling, boys. We hodling forever. Okay, we got. Oh, this is what. Oh yeah, I pulled this up because I saw this picture right here. Elon got Doge on top of the mountain, and we got BTT right behind it, man. We taking this right to the top, to the moon, to Pluto, to other galaxies, to an alternate universe, bruh. Large wealthy traders, Crypto Africa, Large wealthy traders and investment groups continue to collect BitTorrent. The Netflix deals offer a great opportunity and appetite to the BTT investor. Wall Street bets and GameStop groups can go crazy. Big pump on Sunday. They predicting above. They predicted the penny mark. Okay, that's a nice. Hey, I'd be happy for that, y'all. I got this one for the GIF, y'all. This GIF is so nice. BTT Army, BTT gang, wave your flags. We got Justin Sun talking about how you could stake BTT on Pancake Swap and earn more BTT, guys. Nice investment. And right underneath it from Veasley, BitTorrent in the top 10 most visited coins in the last 24 hours on the coin market cap. We got SafeMoon. A lot of people ain't got into SafeMoon. Oh, SafeMoon is still so low, bruh. Hey, if y'all can make that investment in SafeMoon, I say go for it. Ethereum Classic just went parabolic recently, like crazy. Just shot up straight to 140, man. We got XRP, Ethereum, number 9, BitTorrent up 20%. Man, I'm gonna keep monitoring these news updates. I'm gonna keep my eye out on everything that happens on Twitter, etc. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. First video on the channel. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, man. Let me know what y'all think about BitTorrent down in the comment section. We are definitely getting to $1, guys. HODL is the game. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.